What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl StyleshKenna here, and I'm back again with another YouTube video for you guys. And this is a get ready with me glam makeup look. And right before we get started too deep into the video, make sure you guys start what you're doing and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see next on my channel, and let me know if you guys enjoy these makeup get ready with me videos as well. So don't forget to check out the description. I will leave everything down in the description bar, everything that I'm using down in the description bar, so make sure you guys check that out. And this is a very simple makeup look, you guys, and the reason why I say simple, because your girl really don't know what she be doing. I'm just learning as I go, and pretty much I'm just using eyeshadows and blending them all. Make sure no creases or lines showing, just blend every color that I'm basically using. So that's why I say simple, you guys, because y'all already know I'm not a makeup artist out here, so I'm just going with the flow when it comes to applying these colors. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this makeup look. I'm not gonna do too much talking in this video because, like I said, I can't tell you how to do it, how to apply it. So all you can do is pretty much just watch and kind of learn that way, because that's how I learn, when I just watch stuff. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, find this video a little helpful some kind of way. If it was helpful to you, leave me a comment, let me know if it was helpful, you know what I'm saying? I just want to know. So yeah, you guys, sit back and just enjoy the video, and I might be back, I don't know, but bye.